our meat and seafood display case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, our length of 60 inches, a depth of 34 inches, overall height 55.5 inches tall. Measurements for the bottom area of the case with a measurement of 20 inches. 20 inches in height before the window. Coming to the inside of the display case is an LED strip that runs along the ceiling of the display that will showcase your products below. Coming to the front will be the main display showcasing your meats and seafood, with the bottom portion acting as a storage for ice and also as a display. Dual slide doors with 4 shelves that can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference. So 2 shelves to the left and 2 to the right, each shelf that can be adjusted. The shelves for the left and right side will include measurements of 28 inches in length by 12 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the left and right shelf on top. With the bottom shelves, each one will measure also 28 inches in length by 15 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the left and right side of the bottom portion. For the bottom portion, we have measurements of 58 inches in length, a depth of 29 inches, with maximum height of 29 inches. On the right column will be the drain, and the bottom area, each shelf can be removed for cleaning and maintenance. Bottom of the case located on the back is an additional compartment for storage. Dual slide doors with the internal measurements including 25 inches in depth, a height of 12 inches, with the length measuring 40 inches. Measurements apply for the bottom storage area. Coming to the right will be a brass fitting connection along with the 110-120 voltage, power switch, and temperature control. Located on the far left bottom of the case is the ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this display. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.